Have you been setting goals for your online business, but you become frustrated because your finances and your results online don't reflect it yet? Now, do you want to know the secret to why some struggle with starting an online business, why some thrive over the long haul, and what you need to do? Well, today we'll dive into a crucial aspect of your online success, creating your marketing system and sales funnels. Now, most people starting an online business are driven by passion and focused on their goals. But here's the problem. Did you know that winners and losers have the same passion and the same goals? I've already talked in a previous video about why I believe passion is not enough. And now I'm saying to you that goals are not enough either. So what's the better way? Well, I believe winners focus on systems as well as goals. Just because you have a goal doesn't mean that you'll actually see the change. You need a system to change the results. And winners and losers have the same goals and the same passion, but winners have systems. Now, everybody's out here setting goals, but very few people have strong systems. And ultimately, the secret of all of this is your marketing system. Now, before we delve into systems and funnels in this video, it's essential that you design what you need. And I suggest you use 4 steps. Okay. Start by designing your sales process end to end. And then design your first sales funnel. This will be your basic funnel to start you off. And then you can move on to deciding what's the best software and the best tools that you need to support and automate your process, your sales process and your funnel. And then you're ready to implement your marketing system and your process. What I'm saying is, don't make the mistake many people make by starting an online business and jumping straight into the choosing the systems and implementing the funnels. Right? Start by designing and understanding what you want to achieve in your sales process. So step 1, get the sales process down on paper. And it's in its simplest form. A sales process involves moving a potential customer through various stages, from awareness of your products or services through to conversion. It's like a journey, if you like, where prospects become familiar with your brand, explore your offerings, and then ultimately make a purchase. So, imagine you're planning a road trip. Yeah, your sales process is like plotting your route, starting from where you are, your current location, and ending up at your desired destination. And along the way, you'll pass through different checkpoints, similar to stages in a sales process. And each checkpoint represents a milestone in your customer's journey, from becoming aware of your business to making a purchase. Step 2, design your sales funnel. Okay, and while sales funnels and sales processes are related, they're not exactly the same. So think of the sales process as the entire customer journey, while a sales funnel is a specific path within that journey. So, for example, if your sales process includes email marketing, social media, and website visits, your sales process may focus on converting email subscribers into customers. And a typical sales funnel consists of several stages as well, each designed to nurture your prospects along their journey. Yeah? So at the top of the funnel, the awareness stage, you introduce prospects to your brand and your business through engaging content and what we call lead magnets. Right? And as they move down the funnel through the interest stage, you provide more valuable information and you build rapport with your prospects. Yeah. And then in the decision stage, you present your offers, hopefully your irresistible offers, and that leads to action. And the action is prospects becoming customers. And at each stage, specific elements, such as the landing pages and the opt-in forms, the sales pages, and any upsells that you have in your funnel, they all play a crucial role in nurturing your prospects towards that final conversion. So the goal is to attract as many prospects as possible and convert them into loyal customers at the bottom of the funnel. Now, where does the sales funnel then fit within the broader marketing system? So Imagine your marketing system as a highway leading to your destination, your customer acquisition. Your sales funnel acts as the road signs and the lanes that direct your prospects towards making a purchase. Or think of it as a GPS, if you like, guiding your prospects through the buying journey. And the sales funnel streamlines that process, guiding the buyer's journey and ensuring that they receive relevant information at each step. So the idea is that with a well-optimized sales funnel, you can anticipate the needs of your prospects, address their concerns along the way, and nurture their interest until they're ready to convert and become customers. Now, there are different types of sales funnels. So here's a few examples just to get you thinking. So probably the most basic one is a lead generation funnel. And here an example would be offering a free downloadable checklist in exchange for your prospect's email address. And this then obviously creates an opportunity for you to engage with them further through email marketing, right? Another type of funnel would be a webinar funnel, where you're hosting a live webinar that you can provide invaluable insights into a specific topic. And that positions you as an expert and allows you to introduce your premium products or services at the end. Yeah. Or you could have a product launch funnel. So you're building anticipation for a new online course, let's say, teasing its features and benefits through email campaigns and social media announcements. Yeah. And one more, a tripwire funnel. So you could offer a really irresistible low-priced product, like an ebook that's got a very, very high perceived value to your new customers. And the goal in that funnel would be upselling them to a higher priced product or service later in their journey. So if you're just starting an online business, creating these sales funnels, it might seem a little bit daunting, but really it's very achievable with the right guidance. It's like learning anything, like learning to ride a bicycle. Start with the training wheels and then gradually build your confidence. So you begin by mapping out your sales process, identifying the key stages, and then deciding on the types of funnels that you want to create. And this is effectively your customer's path, from the moment they discover your business to becoming a paying customer. Identify all the touch points like we've talked about, where you're going to engage and nurture them. Identify all the elements, the educational content, the lead magnets, and your personalized offers. Right? Now, you might decide when you're mapping out the sales process that you need a number of funnels, but I highly recommend that you start with one basic funnel. Keep it simple, right? And you can hand draw it on a piece of paper, right? Like the paper behind me, right? It doesn't have to be a fancy PowerPoint presentation. Yeah? Now, once you've done all that, then you're ready to decide on the software and the tools that will best fit your sales process and support and automate your funnels. And when it comes to choosing the right funnel building software, okay, there are several options, right? Probably one of the most well-known is ClickFunnels, well known for its ease of use and comprehensive features. It's a very popular choice. There's another one that's been more established for longer, but is equally popular. It's called Kartra. That's an all-in-one platform, very comprehensive. So it's not only got funnel building capabilities, but it's also got email marketing and membership sites and plenty more, to be honest. And there's a more emerging competitor in all of that called Groove. Used to be called Groove Pages. Now I think it's just called Groove. And that also is gaining traction because it's got quite an extensive set of tools and a different pricing model that might appeal to some entrepreneurs. And if you don't, another option, if you don't want these sort of ready-made software as a service solutions, you could go down the more DIY approach and use WordPress. So WordPress, if you haven't heard of it, it's a very versatile website builder, and you can get numerous sales funnel plugins. So it's a really viable option for people that are very familiar with WordPress, and it's actually terribly easy to learn, and it's generally a cheaper option as well, right, than the ones I've mentioned. So, but all of them offer very intuitive drag and drop features, templates, step-by-step guides, and it'll all make the whole process smoother for you. So, but what you need to look at when you're reviewing these options is how can you automate as much of your sales process as possible. Automation is key, and it's a game changer for online businesses, right? Because it allows you to streamline those repetitive tasks, deliver personalized experiences, and basically to scale your operations as you grow, right? So also, as well as the software I've mentioned, so look for tools like automated email responders, customer relationship management systems like CRM systems, and of course, AI tools can help you automate communications and follow-ups, right? So implementing automation and AI really helps you save time. It'll enhance the customer experiences, and so it means you can focus on high-value activities. It'll enable you to nurture leads and prospects effectively, give them timely support, and deliver very targeted messages, right? But in all of that discussion about tools, just remember that as you get into automation and AI, it's really important to maintain a balance between personalization, efficiency, and ensuring that your communications feel really authentic and personal, right? Okay, so once your funnel is built and live, then it's essential that you carry on reviewing your data, optimizing your sales funnel continuously, measuring and testing metrics, okay, like customer acquisition, conversion rates, customer acquisition costs, conversion rates. These can all help you identify areas for improvement, Track conversion rates, like I said, click-through rates, average order value. The key, I guess, is to make this a data-driven operation with data-driven decisions to help you optimize each stage and improve the overall effectiveness of your funnel. You see, so designing, implementing, continually optimizing your marketing system and a profitable sales funnel creates an asset for your business. And it's an investment of time and money that really pays off. Now, look, I've just scratched the surface. Obviously, there's a lot more to learn and a lot more that I could cover in this video. But honestly, this is enough to get you started, right? And I would urge you to just get your first funnel set up, get it set up and running as quickly as possible. Keep it simple, like I said. Some people, like myself, we have a real tendency to overcomplicate marketing systems and funnels, right? But money loves speed. And as I've said to you before, done is better than perfect. So get it live, get your funnel live, and use the data to iterate and then improve as you progress, all right? As usual, there will be plenty of additional free resources in the link below this video, including free weekly group coaching. And for a limited time, you can also get access to all the funnels I described earlier in this video, built for you, pre-built for you, absolutely free. But it is just for a limited time. So click on the link below this video to get access. I hope that's been helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.